Hey, if you are running ads or your clients running Facebook ads and Google ads, is spending thousands of dollars every single month. The campaigns are live, people are visiting the website, products are being added to cart as well as purchased. But in Google Analytics 4, zero purchase data. Zero purchase data means you have like purchase data, but you don't have the purchase product data, like which product, what is the product value, everything. So this is not a made of a story. This happened to one of my real clients, and the scariest part, it wasn't a big complicated error. It was on tiny variable mismatch inside Google Tag Manager. If I talk about this, then you will understand. So if I go to Google Analytics 4, here you can see this is Google Analytics 4. If I go to report section, and from engagement, if I go to events, choose the previous like April 1 to 30 April, and here if I change the row per base like 25, and here we can see file number 11 purchase, total purchase is like 267. I mean 267 time we got the purchase event, and here is the value, purchase value. But if I go to the like e-commerce purchases where we are able to see the purchase items data, then here you can see zero purchased. But in the event section we have seen that 267 purchase. But when I just came here, I can see viewed item, added to cart, but there is no purchase. Can you imagine what's happening here? The problem was in Google Tag Manager, and this was not a big problem on variable mistakes. So if I show you the current data, like here, if I go to the event section again, then like last 7 days, row per page 25, and 12 number purchase 38 time. Okay, here is the 38 time, and this is the value. And if I now go to the e-commerce purchases, then purchases 48 times. That means 48 times these products are bought. A person can buy like 2 products at a time or 3 products. That is why the item purchase is different here. And if I go to the transaction, then everything will be clear to you. Like attribution issue, here you can see 38 purchases last 7 days. And what we also notice in the event section, 38, right? Again, here's a purchase 38 and transaction is 38. Okay, so we were not be able to see this data in here. So if you ask me what is the importance of seeing this data, then here is a lots of importance, because based on this data we basically take action and optimize our campaign. Because if you can see this first one, this like this product purchased most of the time and viewed most of the time, that means this is popular now, so you can run different campaign, or you can focus on this product in different way. You can run ads only with this product because most of the people like this product. So that is why it basically depends, and it's also important to scale our businesses, right? Now if I show you where was the issue, then you can see this is my Google Tag Manager website container, and this is the server container. If I go to the tags, my tags were okay, but the problem was in variable. If I go to the variable, then you will understand. There was a data layer issue. That is why I added the items layer into the local storage, and when I set up the tracking, then it was working fine. But after a few days it's just broken because I think its website changes or DOM element changes. So but I set up this variable for this event. If I go to tags, then GF for purchase, In item section, I have set up that variable, not the current one. After seeing this problem, when I replace just this variable, then everything is working fine. If I show you the version, like the last version is 12.5.26. Okay, 12 May to now. This day I basically fixed the issue. So here you can see if I select the last from April on to 11 May, you can see here is only 13. I mean, sometimes it basically collect and sometimes not. That was the issue. So I hope you could understand what was the issue. So if I show you this data, this is the items purchased, but if I show you the e-commerce purchased, I mean events, total purchase events, this date, you can see 530 purchases we received, but when we go to the e-commerce purchases, you can see only 13. So that was the issue actually. The hard truth is most businesses and agencies have no idea if their conversion tracking is actually accurate. Everything looks fine on the surface. Tags are firing, events are showing up, but the data underneath broken. And when your data is broken, your ads are optimizing for nothing. You're making decisions based on numbers that are not real. If you watch this video and thought I'm not 100% sure my tracking setup is correctly, that feeling is worth paying attention to. I offer free conversion tracking audit. I look at your GTM setup, your GFO, your ad platform tracking, and tell me exactly what's working, what's broken, and what's need to be fixed. No cost, no obligation. The link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I make videos especially for business owners and agency owners who wants accurate tracking and better ad results. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.